How to fix Twitter we cannot send a text message to this phone number easily and fast. Hello guys, in this new tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily. So all what you wanna do is open the settings and then go to the apps manager. After you go to the apps, now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Choose Twitter right here and then click on this force stop option and then click on the storage. After you click on the storage, click on clear data and that's it. Now click on the home page, open the Play Store and then search for Twitter in the search bar right here and then click on this update option as you can see. And after you update it, the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.